You have browsed through your entire body, identified each part of your body as your own body. You have identified each breath and identified it as your own breath. Now breathe a little longer, deep breath, and feel the sensation in the body. You will feel some fullness, some tightness in abdomen, some tightness in the chest. So identify that feeling as my feeling. That feeling is appearing in my mind. The perception of that feeling is in my mind. So identify with my mind. Similarly, you may have the feeling on your body, any sensation on your body of maybe you're feeling a little itching, or you feeling the air of the fan, or the touch of your clothes in your body. Identify all this as my sensation, what I am feeling. We will do a deep breathing exercise, or sorry, we'll do a yogic breath exercise. So in the yogic breath exercise, we are going to use our brain, intellect, and tell the mind and tell the body to behave as it wants. So you are going to do a full yogic breath by assuming the Brahma Mudra. Those who are new students, you may avoid it. If you find it easy, you can do it. Brahma Mudra is thumb inside and fingers over it. Place it below the navel. Straighten your back. And now direct your body to breathe full, first in the abdomen, then in the thoracic chest region, and then by the lifting up of your shoulders in the clavicular region, and while breathing out in the reverse order. But all this while, be aware of who is giving the direction. Okay? Start. Till some time back, you were breathing normal. Now you have started breathing full, using your abdomen, using your chest and the shoulder. Acknowledge that. Phone. Phone. So Kavita, you can do for yourself. Advaita is doing fine. Don't need to worry about him.
Trying to get into the class.
Okay. I am enabled the waiting room.
Oh, well, enabled it.
Yeah. Which ID you are using?
Hello. Oh, the waiting in the आप कौन से आईडी पे कर रहे हैं लास्ट में 6-1 आता है एंड में जस्ट अ मिनट
Please continue. Okay. After 5 rounds, now relax. No issues. Let there some be movement, no problem. So when you relax, there will be some movements in the body. Just watch that. This is your own body. You're making some movements. There is some relaxation. Now identify this is your own relaxation. Identify this is your own relaxation. ये मैं ही हूं जो रिलैक्स कर रहा हूं. और मुझे रिलैक्स करते हुए देयर इज समवन व्हिच इज ऑब्जर्विंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड यू. उसका भी एक बार आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए. आइडेंटिफाई दैट ऑब्जर्वर who is relaxing, who is watching you relax. ओके. इसके बाद हम लोग और एक टेक्निक करेंगे, कपाल भाती. In Kapalbhati, the advanced students, you are expected to see some light in your forehead. Okay. So when you are seeing that light, again get that feeling that this light is being seen only by me. So identify to that self again. So पूरे टाइम अपने को अपने सेल्फ से आइडेंटिफाई करना है. Whatever is your limited identity of the self, उससे ही करना है. ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करिए. So we'll start with the Kapalbhati. New students, I hope you know, little thrust in your abdomen. So you are giving your directions to your body to give a thrust in your abdomen and push the air up. Stop. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Bhagwati ji, you are there, no problem. If you can put your video on, that will be better. आप थोड़ा आपका वीडियो ऑन करिए. Okay, second round of Kapalbhati. Feel some sensation in your forehead. Feel sensation in the forehead. And stop. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now feel the sensation in your forehead. Some kind of tingling sensation. And we'll move to the third variation or third round of Kapalbhati. One more round of Kapalbhati. Start the thrust in your abdomen and feel the air moving up towards your forehead. आपके कपाल की तरफ आपकी सांस ऊपर फेंकी जा रही है, उसका अनुभव कीजिए. And stop. As you stop for some time, you will not need to breathe. So just try to find out where your self identity is. The suspended state of self identity. यहाँ पे आपका ब्रेथ थोड़ा रुक गया है. Again, automatically the breath starts. So realize now that is something in your inside you which is not being sensed by your five senses. आपके जो पांच सेंसेस हैं, ज्ञानेंद्रिय है, उसके परे और भी कुछ है जो आपके बॉडी को मैनेज कर रहा है, कंट्रोल कर रहा है. उसका अनुभव कीजिए. और ये जानिए कि ये भी आपका खुद का ही है. दिस इज ऑल्सो योर ओन. This is what you call my nervous system, my autonomous nervous system. So your buddhi has not participated in that. Okay, again, observe your entire body again now. Where all you are feeling the discomfort? कहाँ कहाँ आपको थोड़ा discomfort feel हो रहा है? Try to identify that. हो सकता है आपके पैर नम हो जाए गए हों, पैर सो गए हों, या आपके पीठ में थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा हो. So now allow your buddhi to give directions to your body and release the legs if you are feeling uncomfortable. And as you release the legs, keep observing there is a blood flow towards your legs. तो ये भी आपका खुद का ही खून है. You are calling this as my blood. This is my own blood. This is flowing inside me. If you have some discomfort in your back, you can do some sideward bending. So realize this, that I have given you this permission in my class to do this. That is why your buddhi has ordered the body to do these movements, and your body is following it. The prana is moving as per your wish, your own wish. तो इसमें आपका जो सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी है उसको रियलाइज करो. Also realize one more thing, which is you are doing all these things on my instruction. Since you are in my class, you have given me permission to instruct you and experience as per what I am telling you. There is a connection between you and me. So feel that connection. मैं आपको कुछ कह रहा हूं, आप सुन रहे हैं. Your ज्ञानेंद्रिय are in use. It goes to your brain, and accordingly your brain is giving some directions to the body. In between, you are talking to someone else. So you are also using your own brain, not that you are entirely listening to me. Realize this. So realize your sense of self. What I am coming to is slowly, slowly realize your sense of self. Okay, we'll move ahead to the pranayam. We'll do Nadi Shodhan or Anulom Vilom pranayam with the Nasika Mudra. नासिका मुद्रा से करेंगे. Have you got it? Yes. The thumb, right hand thumb on your right nostril, left hand thumb on the left nostril. Breathe in from the left nostril, slowly, gentle and deliberate. So your brain is directing to breathe slowly. Just feel that, be with that self. And breathe out from right nostril. You are not allowing the breath to happen on its own. You are consciously slowing it down and making it prolonged. Breathe in from the right. Breathe out from the left. Those who are little seasoned students can do the Kumbhak and Bandha. Those who are new can continue with the alternate nostril without any Kumbhak, without any retention of breath. Now, while doing this, you are going to turn your attention towards one more very subtle thing, which is the prana. So when you are breathing in, as your breath is going inside the nostril, you are also feeling a current of energy from your head towards your upper lungs. So feel that current of energy from your head towards the upper chest. And when you are breathing out, a current of energy, prana, moving from your navel downwards. Those seasoned students who are doing the Kumbhak and Bandha, while applying the Bandha, feel the accumulation of prana at the center of your abdomen. The current which is moved in from top, the current which is trying to move out from the Nabhi towards down, you are trying to tie both of them together at the center. This is only for the seasoned students, not for the new students. New students, please continue to do Anulom Vilom. Please turn your mind inward. Don't look here and there. Don't direct anyone. Do your own only, please. Unless you have your own experience, this session will not make any sense to you. So you have used your volition, your intellect to lock the prana in the center if you are doing the bandha. And those who are a little new, just feel the movement of prana as you are breathing in and breathing out. थोड़ी चेतना जैसे अपने सिर की तरफ से छाती की तरफ आ रही है जब आप सांस अंदर ले रहे हैं, और जब आप सांस छोड़ रहे हैं तभी अपनी नाभि की तरफ से नीचे की तरफ चेतना की मूवमेंट. अभी आखिरी बार करेंगे, लास्ट राउंड, and this time now you feel where this chetna is coming from. This is coming from the cosmos. आप जहां बैठे हैं उसके सराउंडिंग में जो एनर्जी है वही एनर्जी आप ले रहे हैं। जैसे आप सांस लेते समय आपके आसपास की जो हवा है उसी को आप अंदर ले रहे हैं। So now just stop, relax, and keep your hands on the knees and listen to me. You and me are connected now. तो मैं जैसे आपको बोल रहा हूं उस तरह से आप कर रहे हैं, यानी कि हमारे बीच में एक कनेक्शन है। साथ साथ आप और आपके जो सहपाठी हैं, you and your colleagues who are on the internet, you are also all connected because you are doing the same thing together. तो ये सब हम हैं, these are all we together. So feel the identity expanded. Feel your identity expanded to me and your own colleagues. So though we are so far, we are connected through this wonderful technology of internet. So this internet is also a form of energy. Feel connected to this energy. This is also me. ये भी मैं ही हूं। So everyone who is beyond this identity of me, just feel that he is an other person. अगर गलती से कोई आपके रूम में अभी आ जाए और आपको कुछ कहे तो it is going to cause a conflict in your mind. So that person who has come in, he is a other person. इसको realize कीजिए, he is not me. Everything which is there in your room, your furniture, everything is me. It is mine. But your neighbor, his house is not yours, so it is not mine, it is other. Have a sense of that. It is other. Before we move to the next pranayam, realize that the pran which we are taking in, it is the pran coming from the cosmos. And you don't need the permission of anyone else to take this pran inside. Since you don't need the permission to take this pran inside, it is mine. ये मेरा है. The sense of self, identity is now expanded because this entire, जहां भी ये प्राण है, even if it is miles and miles away at the other end of the world, yet it can travel and come inside you. So it is mine. ये भावना से अभी इस प्राण को देखना है हमें. And we'll move to the next pranayam of Bhastrika. Bhastrika के लिए keep your hands on the knees. Take a long breath in. Fix your chest and shoulder. And active inhalation, active exhalation at a faster rate. Give directions to your body. जोर से आपको सांस लेनी है, अंदर और बाहर, और तेज करनी है सांस. As you breathe in, your stomach comes out. As you breathe out, stomach goes in. So movement of the stomach also. Start. Stop. Take a deep breath in and out. And just drop yourself. Don't do anything. The brain is silent. No directions to the body. And experience the state of non-breathing. ये एक ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, का निरीक्षण कीजिए कि अभी अपने को सांस लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है. तो हमने अभी हमारे शरीर के उस भाग से कम्युनिकेशन किया है जो हम लोग सेंस नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी कैनॉट सेंस द ऑटोनॉमस नर्वस सिस्टम. फिर भी हमने उसको डायरेक्शन दिया है कि भाई सांस बंद करो. सो फील दैट पावर ऑफ सेल्फ. यू हैव दैट पावर ऑफ सेल्फ बाय विच यू कैन स्टॉप द ब्रीदिंग. अगेन वन मोर राउंड. Stop. A deep breath in and out. Again, experience the state of non-breathing. If you are not understanding some part of what I am saying, leave it. It does not matter. Whatever you understand, carry on with it. You will get your own experience. Don't worry. One more last Bhastrika. Now this time keep your attention on the forehead. कपाल के ऊपर अपना attention रखें. Your brain is your own. So direct the brain to keep the attention on your kapal and try to use the inner vision. जैसे जैसे आप कपाल भाती भस्त्रिका कर रहे हैं, तो the air is moving in and it is removing the thoughts from your forehead. आपके कपाल से जो भी विचार है वो नष्ट हो रहे हैं, वो कम हो रहे हैं. और जैसे जैसे विचार कम होंगे वैसे वैसे आपको अंदर से एक लाइट, यू आर एबल टू सी सम लाइट फ्रॉम इनसाइड. ये अगर हो रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा है तो देखने की कोशिश करना है. डोंट स्ट्रगल. स्टार्ट. Stop. Take a deep breath in and out. and try to see the light from inside. अगर आपको दिखता है तो वो आपका है, that is you. अगर आपको दिखता नहीं है तो अभी भी वो other है, वो दूसरा है. So I'm introducing the concept of other again, just like your neighbor, just like someone who you are not associated with. अब ये लाइट भी other है, दूसरा है जो आपको दिख नहीं रहा है. अगर आपको ये दिख गया तो ये आपका हो गया, it has become your own. Now keep your palm facing up, palms open. And direct your breath to the center of the palm. Just visualize that your breath is reaching up to the palm. ऐसा एक visualization, imagination कीजिए कि आपकी सांस आपके हथेली तक पहुंच रही है. And it's a deliberate conscious breathing. When you breathe, the prana is also moving from cosmos to your palm. जैसे जैसे आप सांस ले रहे हैं, प्राण की ऊर्जा की जो मूवमेंट है वो भी आपके हथेली की तरफ हो रही है. So there is more and more accumulation of pran energy at the center of your palm. Feel that energy. अब ये एनर्जी आपको फीलिंग किसी तरह से भी दे सकती है. हो सकता है आपको कोई टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन हो, कोई बर्निंग सेंसेशन हो, गर्माहट हो, आपको आपका हाथ हेवी लगेगा. ये सारी फीलिंग्स आ सकती है, कोई भी फीलिंग आ सकती है. If you are not yet feeling, keep breathing in and sending the pran to your palm. Now slowly try to lift your palm up only about 1 foot. सिर्फ 1 फुट तक आपका हाथ ऊपर उठाना है and slowly take it down. As you do this movement, you will get the energy feeling more. You will enhance the feeling of energy in your palms. Just feel that energy. All right. If you have felt the energy with your eyes closed, just show me a thumb. Just show me a thumb if you have felt the energy. If you have not felt the energy, don't look here and there. If you have yourself felt the energy, just show me the thumb. Otherwise, leave it. No problem. Okay, I've got it. Those who have not yet felt the energy, keep sending the energy to your center of palm. One more time, a flow of prana from you don't know where, from nowhere into your center of palm. Your mind is focused. If your mind is not focused on the center of the palm, you will not be able to send the prana. Your mind has to be concentrated on the center of the palm. Now again, you can move the hand little up and down 2-3 times. Okay. Have you felt the energy? Have you felt any kind of sense of energy? Show me with your thumb whether if you have felt the energy. If you have not, leave it. Okay, very good, Ran. I'm going to continue now with a small meditation which is called as Neti Neti meditation. Keep your eyes closed. I am going to ask you a question. Already we are now connected. In your self identity, I am also a part of you. All the participants are part of you. Leave all those who are other. I am going to ask you now the question, who are you? When I am asking the question, who are you? There will be some answer which comes to your mind. You may get an answer, I am my name, I am Anu, I am Sheetal, I am Sujata, whatever. Now, with your experience, whatever you have done now, you have to negate that answer yourself. आप उस आंसर को आपको खुद को ही मना करना है. I am not my only name. I am much more than that. You have experienced it just now. So just say, I am not only myself. Again, I am going to ask you the question, who are you? इस बार हो सकता है आपको feeling हो, I am my body. So again, you have to negate that answer. I am not only my body because I am the other body also. मैं सर के साथ में हूँ, मैं मेरे सहपाठियों के साथ में हूँ. So I am that also. So I am not just my body. Negate that answer. नहीं, मैं ये नहीं हूँ. Again, I'll ask you question, who are you? हो सकता है आपको कोई फीलिंग आया कि ये मेरा घर है तो ये मैं हूँ. You can say no, only this house is not mine. Something else beyond that is also mine. So again, negate the answer. So I'll keep on asking you questions. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? And you'll keep negating it. There is no final answer. Keep just negating the identity. Keep negating the identity. जैसे मैं आपको who are you बोल रहा हूँ, वैसे वैसे आंसर आपको अंदर से आते जाएगा. उसको मना करिए. Okay, we start. Just be ready to listen to me. Keep your attention towards me. So you're listening to me and answering to your own self. Who are you? आपको कोई आंसर आएगा, उसको निगेट कर दीजिए. Who are you? 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 Last 5 questions. Who are you? 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 Just be with that answer, whatever you have got, for some time. Release your legs if you need to and keep listening to me. Whoever, whatever includes your identity of self, whatever you have reached, your self identity is even larger than that. If you give yourself time and allow your mind to free yourself from limited identities, you can expand more and more. And this is what is the reality. You have to acknowledge this reality within you, that this is what you are. Realize one more thing, that conflict appears inside you when there is a feeling of me and other. This conflict is always there. Always it is existing because there is a feeling of me and there is a feeling of other. मैं और दूसरा, ये भावना हमारे मन में हमेशा रहती है, और जितनी ये भावना ज्यादा होती है और उभर के आती है, उतना हमारे मन में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट पैदा होता है. उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को कम करने के लिए, the more you have the feeling of inclusion, there is no other, everything is me, there will be less and less of conflict. So this meditation is to expand the identity of yourself. I'm not going to very deep levels of self or the larger levels of self like Swaroop and all, but whatever is practical for you. I'm talking about practical things which you have to feel and not only intellectually read, that this is also me, that is also me, what I have not thought is also me. Then where is the other? There is no other. So you will not have any conflict with what other person says. You will not have conflict between your ideas and other ideas, because they are also your ideas. You will not have conflict about your own senses and other person's senses, because they are also your own senses. When an idea comes to your mind, you feel that it is my own idea. But if you have a limited sense of self, then there will be a conflict with your idea and other person's idea. When you have an expanded sense of self, you can appreciate that other idea is also mine and this idea is also mine. So your intellect will not play mischief with you, that this is mine, my idea, that is other person's idea, and there is going to be conflict. You will be beyond that. If you have understood this, fine. If you have not understood, doesn't matter, no problem. Whatever you have got from this session is yours. Whatever you are not got, you will get it later on. You are on the pathway. Let's finish the session with a prayer. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bow down in gratitude to the yoga masters, the rishis, the thinkers who have made this knowledge available to us. The elements of nature, your parents, and everyone who is a part of your life for giving you this experience, this realization. Come up, rub your palm, cup your eyes. Rub your palms all over your body, feel the energy. And with a beautiful smile, open your eyes and welcome the day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. I can see some beautiful smiles. Hello, Jasmine. Nice to see you.
I'll join this batch, sir, now.
Good, good. Nice, nice. Very good.
Thanks.
So who's going to cook?
बाद में late.
तुम भी इधर, जतिन भी इधर. Okay, okay. I'm just joking. So, was there any experience? Yeah. So, technically it is called as a Neti meditation. Everyone has his own way of doing it. This is my way of doing it. Bhairavi, you can say something about Neti meditation. अगर दूसरे कोई करते तो किस तरह से करते हैं? अगर if you have seen anything.
Yeah, so basically I've attended one other Neti meditation where he told us, he guided us that way that you are not the body, you are not the mind, the same way that Shankaracharya has said.
Yes.
So first he allowed us to observe each and every part of the body.
Okay.
Then he questioned us whether you are your hand. He made us reflect on it for a few seconds. Then he said, move on to your abdomen. Is it you? So that way he guided us, and in the end we realized that we are not this. We are much beyond it. But today also what you guided us was really good in terms that we could actually flow through it. In the end, we felt the expansion of that, what is actually we.
Yes.
So it was a very beautiful experience, and for that.
I have recorded this. I thought of it that I will record it. So let me see. I can share with all of you later.
Yeah,
I don't record all sessions, but today I knew that I'm doing something new, so I recorded it. So I had this realization while brushing my teeth in the morning when I saw some dirt in the basin. और वो dirt देख के मुझे लगा ये क्या गंदा है conflict. फिर बाद में पता चला ये मैंने ही किया कल रात को. मेरा ही है. So then that conflict ended. I'm just joking. So this is the way you can expand it. Yeah.
So please share it.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, in breathwork hypnosis, also fast breathing and breathing out, जितना capacity के बाहर करो, and then they take us through this.
Which one? NLP.
Breathwork.
Breathwork.
हाँ.
Okay. Yeah, see, all these are media. Medium
Yeah,
है.
media to reach what you took was right, but they took through fast breathing and breathing out. Just वो exhaust कर लो अपने आप को पूरा breath से, and then you feel the energy. Then you
Absolutely.
your body को exhaust करो.
Jasmine, you are talking about Wim Hof, na?
Yeah.
So there are so many media, you know, you can use any medium. Finally, the ultimate knowledge is one. You can reach there anyhow. Okay. चलो, I think we'll end the session. सबको भूख लगी है. पीछे पीछे आदमी आके देख रहे हैं, इनका कभी एंड होगा, मेरे को खाने को मिलेगा.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much for being part of this session.